Today, we are going to show you how to install your KXLife flexible curtain track. It's pretty simple, so watch the video to see what we do. So, we are setting up a room divider. We did a thread of cross, so get it even. We have it here. Right now.
That's your brackets here that you have?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and show me what you have.
So first we put this into the, we use a hammer and a screwdriver because we do not have a drill right now. So we just kind of put that up there and then we hammer that right there into that, and then we take one of these, then we screwdriver it into this.
Your bracket, oh, your
blue thing.
Okay.
And yeah, that's pretty much how we do it. My reading glasses on so it doesn't get my eyes and a mask, because I don't want my lungs.
Yeah.
Because this stuff is probably not the best stuff to inhale.
Try to do it with your thumb.
So I have my bracket and my screw. Oh, wrong way. Right now I'm just straightening this out because when we got it out of the box it was all twisted.
Curled?
Yeah, it's like a curly five.
I'll wait for your mom to get here. 3 a.m.
That's late.
Oh, she's a hard worker.
Yeah.
Working on a movie set production. To the AM hours.
I'm in the movie, did you know that, Grandma?
I know, I can't wait to see it.
Yeah, I'm one of the main characters.
I know, really?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's crazy.
I'm the daughter, the 11-year-old daughter.
Okay.
But they say I don't look
How
11.
old are you right now in real life?
11.
You are 11.
Yeah, but they said I don't look 11, so.
They had to make you look younger, huh?
Yeah, I couldn't wear any makeup. Actually, I was allowed to wear foundation. Like, that's it. I know.
What's your character name?
Michelle. Alright, so the storyline of this, it's a horror movie. I love horror movies, lots of blood. It's about 2 murders.
Let's not give away the whole plot, Siri. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it.
It's most likely gonna be, oh, I love horror movies. Like, my favorite type of shows is anime and horror. So we're putting the end caps on the track, so we just finished nailing it all up there. Okay, I got it. So we got the end cap on the track. Now we're doing on the opposite side, we're putting the tracks, or we're
roller onto your tracks.
And onto my track, okay. So we're gonna have, I'm gonna talk about the curtains we're having. We're gonna have these nice ombre white to black, but they're like really see-through. So it's not really privacy if I use those. But they have all those so far. And then the 2 curtains can be there so my mom can open them closed to get into our walk-in closet. Do you think that's a good idea, Grandma?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. Pop the other end cap on. It's a little difficult, so you might have trouble doing this if you're doing this as well. Okay. There you go. Okay, now we're snapping the things on. So we're...
I'm just holding on.
Okay.
Oh, look at that. We do need to trim it.
I don't know. Here, can you have me the hammer so I can reach further? This thing is being annoying. Okay. You're gonna have to try to cut this somehow.
Or we'll just leave it at a curve because, you know, we're not professionals.
Yeah, I need to tighten this one. Can you hand me the screwdriver? You. Fine.
That's it. Yeah, make it, manipulate it till it snaps.
It's fine. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, that's nice. I like it.
Okay, so this is what they came for, but I do not want to pierce these through the beautiful tapestry. So my mom bought these clips. You clip them to the tapestry. They definitely won't budge. So right now I have a couple down. This is how I'm sizing them. You take that and then fold it to the length. Okay, the length right here. Make sure it's all facing forward. Definitely consider liking and subscribing to this video.
Thank you for the shout out.
Yeah. So now we're clipping up the Oh yeah, that works perfect, right? Only because I want to have my LED lights on at night, like if I'm on my phone or something, and I don't want to annoy my mom with the bright lights. Okay, we're finished with this. We just have to do with the other curtains now.
Now we need to even it out. Okay, so
Amazon. I thought they were gonna be darker, but obviously not. I wanted pitch black curtains, but my mom said no. You don't want to be a vampire. Like, what if I'm up at night because I stay? We are almost done. We have 4 more. So here's the finished product. So we have the curtains. Amazing. Love it. Beautiful. Okay, so the curtains, this is how you set them up. You can pick any curtain pattern. This is just what I had for now. I'm most likely gonna order some new ones, new curtains on Amazon, but this is how you set up the KXLife track curtain. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. Bye, have a nice day, or night.
Boy, I can't believe an 11-year-old would be so inspired and driven to do her project, wanting to surprise her mother when she gets home. leather.